Welcome back. You will probably be working with your Microsoft applications offline also, and you can have them installed to your desktop. And once you do that, you'll want to make sure that you are signed in to the right account when you're using your desktop applications. Now, when you click on your account name, you may find that your Office 365 account is listed with your home account name. That means then that your Microsoft 365 account is connected. What that means is that regardless of what your subscription is, you can go to this file command and then you can save your document. So if you click Save As, you'll probably notice that one of the places that you can save is your OneDrive connected to your Office 365 account. So for example, you can go ahead and click that link. When you click the Options button, you'll be asked to sign in to your Microsoft 365 account. You'll then get a dialog box from Windows saying that you can actually use this account everywhere on your device or the one that you're using. If you want to be able to do that, you'll then have this box checked and then you'll click Yes. Microsoft will tell you that they've added your account. You now have access to your organization's apps and services. You can then click Done. That means then that you can then save your document to the folder that we just created with our online account. So for example, if we save this presentation and we click Save, you should also be able to see the drive from within your actual PowerPoint document. And then we'll also be able to see our document in our online account within OneDrive. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.